In this research, I've been tracing the growth of the community garden movement that started in the 1970s. One of the biggest hubs was in Burlington with the formation of Gardens for All, that formed by an old restaurant business owner who just had a passion for connecting people with gardening. And he worked first with just 40 people that first summer, connecting them with vacant lots in their communities. And then within 4 years, this same person was touring nationally, telling about the successes of Burlington community gardening. Community gardening, even before this movement in the 70s, has always been correlated with economic hardships going on nationally. So when there's high inflation, people turn to gardening to help cut food costs. And this is what really started the community gardening movement in the 70s as well. But it's been able to sustain itself through these organizational abilities.
Today I'm here at the North Ave Co-op Community Garden. We're helping part of the Day in the Dirt, which is a statewide day of service coordinated by the Vermont Community Garden Network, where they bring volunteers to community garden sites all over the state to help them prep for the upcoming season. So the garden that we're in right now is for the people in this community. Behind us we have a pumpkin patch for the kids to play in, and then on the other side is plots of land for individuals to be gardening on as well.